Elon loves Dogecoin, and that hasn't changed. And I don't think it's going to change. People are now calling Elon Musk the president of the United States. It's getting a little bit weird. I'm not going to focus too much on that, but what I do want to focus on is Dogecoin. How is Dogecoin crashing today if Elon Musk has so much influence and we're supposedly in a crypto bull market? Well, guys, I've been talking a lot about Doge. We are coming down to some key levels that I laid out for you exactly on this channel, testing critical support right now at the time of this recording. And you guys need to be aware of it. We could hold the support. I think that there's a good chance that we will if Bitcoin continues to the upside. And if you're watching this video right now and you're not a member, well, the prices are going to be delayed. Why is that? Because we are releasing some videos early for members on this channel. If you want to become a member on this channel, member on our YouTube channel, check it out in the link down below. Let's talk about Dogecoin and the critical levels that you need to be aware of today. This video is going to be available probably about 5 hours early for members, so check that out. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about some key prices for Dogecoin today. Elon's favorite meme. Bitcoin is down to $96,000, which is absolutely fine, my friends. One thing that I've talked about a lot in this crypto market is that we are going to see sometimes retracements in this thing. One thing that I've discussed on my channel for a while now is the fact that this total market cap for cryptocurrency, let me go out to the weekly candles here. It could do something like this little Nike swoosh pattern, excuse me, get rid of that. This little Nike swoosh pattern that I've drawn out here. And that is exactly what I predicted. This is exactly what I talked about. As soon as the Fed was giving some bearish speech the other day, and we saw the crypto markets come down as a result of this, Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin, all doing a very fast fall after the Federal Reserve cuts, okay? We were talking about, hey, be aware, guys, because this total market cap could come down. Why there? Because this is the previous highs in November 2021. Nothing goes straight up. A bullish retest off this level would be great. We are actually seeing that right now. If you look at the 4-hourly candles, boom, we're getting a nice bounce. Could we come lower? We could. But I would like to see us hold this $3 trillion total market cap level. What is this for Dogecoin? What have I talked about with Dogecoin? Well, we were in a key level. I said if Bitcoin slips, we could come out of this level, and that's exactly what we did. I said we could come down to the 30-cent level. That's exactly where we are at the time of this recording. So what the heck comes next? Well, guys, if you look at Dogecoin versus BTC right now, you are seeing Dogecoin do exactly also what I told you. I told you, just like the total market cap, what we looked at, how we could see this kind of Nike swoosh bounce off the previous high. For Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, we've seen patterns like this in the past where this has played out this way, guys. We had a nice bounce for Doge back in what, March of 2021, before we continued to our beautiful May 2021 highs of Doge versus Bitcoin. And now we're seeing more upside in this bull market, breaking through this trend line, but we're not going to go straight up. I said we could have this little Nike swoosh pattern. So guys, what is next for Dogecoin? Well, if you're watching this and you remember, you might see this move play out faster than some of the people that are watching this later, but I believe that we could hold this floor here. I have to be clear and say that there's a chance that we come back down, but if I'm looking for a long or a short, I don't mind a long right here, guys. It could turn the other way, but I don't mind a long right here in terms of Dogecoin. Really, if you look at the Dogecoin value price right now, it is in free fall, so it could certainly come lower. I'd very much set a stop loss if you were, and if we break into this Bitcoin band and Dogecoin breaks lower versus Bitcoin, that would happen as a result of Bitcoin coming even lower. But Bitcoin, if it holds at 95K, I think, and it kind of is actually, this daily candle is up. I would like to see this hold around the 95K level for a daily candle close. In fact, I'd love to see it even come higher. But Dogecoin right now could hold this level. If you look at the dollar value, 30 cents is a pretty decent zone. We've had some resistance here before. I would like us to find some support here. For Doge, okay? If you look down at like the 4-hourly time frames, this was recently a level that we kind of peaked out at slightly at 30 cents. And so for us to find a floor here wouldn't be that surprising to me. I think this is a big liquidation, panic, fake outs to the downside, to be honest with you. What we have right now is Bitcoin dominance climbing up. This is very key for Dogecoin, guys. The daily candle right now for the daily candle right now for Bitcoin dominance is essential for Dogecoin because this daily candle earlier wicked above to 60%. I would like to see this daily candle close as it kind of is right now. And I talked about this in my Shiba Inu video earlier today. This daily candle needs to close here, right here, below this blue trend line. If Bitcoin dominance can close below this trend line, we could see this thing come back down. If Bitcoin dominance comes back down, that means that Doge versus BTC can come back up. That is why I don't mind a potential long position with stop losses set. I am not telling you to long Dogecoin. I am not telling you to do anything in crypto, but I'm saying if there was a long or a short that I was looking to take right now, potentially a long position could be the play here, looking for a bounce off this critical support for Doge versus BTC dominance as Bitcoin is potentially topping out, rejecting, hopefully, off the bottom of this trend line. Now, we could go through this, and if Bitcoin dominance keeps climbing up, guess what? Doge versus Bitcoin could come back down to this range, and it could see something pretty tough, guys. Something pretty tough. We could see a big move like this for Doge. I don't want to see that. Is it possible? It is possible, but we're not calling it quits yet for Doge. In fact, we're not calling it quits for Doge until the end of the bull market. I think there's 200 days left in this bull market overall. Today, we're talking about some short-term volatility moves. This daily candle for Bitcoin dominance is key. If it closes in the red below this trend line that I've got drawn right here, I think that Doge versus Bitcoin could bounce here. And if that's the case, then our Dogecoin price, and it kind of looks like it could be finding a floor right here and getting back up into this range. I would also expect Bitcoin to continue back up into this range and start approaching to the $100,000 level again. I wouldn't be surprised if next week, if this daily candle doesn't close much lower than this, if we are back up into these areas, back up into the 100K ranges. There are so many bullish narratives going on for crypto right now. Elon Musk still loves Dogecoin, my friends. He absolutely loves it. You have people right now that are saying Dogecoin price in a bear market? No, it is not in the bear market. This is a bad take from a subpar crypto publication where I pull headlines from just to talk about them. Dogecoin price is not in a bear market. It's in a downward trend that could easily reverse if Bitcoin dominance does what we want it to do. Bitcoin dominance needs to come back down. Hopefully for altcoins and altcoin holders like Dogecoin holders, the top is in for Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully Dogecoin gets a bounce versus its Bitcoin pairing. And hopefully Bitcoin continues to the upside. We have so many bullish narratives, my friend. For Dogecoin specifically, you have people calling Elon Musk President Musk. The Doge leader's government shutdown. This is what people are talking about right now. This is both negative and positive headlines. It's, gets very political. I'm not trying to get political. My point is Elon Musk to be called the president, even though he's not the president, was very significant. People recognize that Elon has influence. He named a Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, after Dogecoin. He loves Dogecoin. And this man sits next, and this is why people are saying, he is, President Musk, because he's got a photo next to the future president of the United States. Both of these guys are very pro-crypto. One of these guys loves Dogecoin in particular. Both of these guys love crypto. And this total market cap, guys, is probably going to get a bounce off this $3 trillion range. Now, if we come lower, fine. We come lower, more buying opportunities. I think we hold the $3 trillion level. I'd like to see that. I'd really like to see that. And it makes me feel pretty confident that Dogecoin could find a floor here. Could I be wrong? I could be wrong. But if there's a trade opportunity right now, it could potentially, maybe, be a long on Doge, possibly. That is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. If you want to trade Doge for yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin. You could check it out. Maybe you want to call me the Jim Cramer of crypto. Some people want to do the opposite of what people are saying. Hey, maybe you want to short Doge. I don't know, whatever. You want to long, you want to short it. That's up to you. That's the beautiful part about trading. If you got a thesis and you see some technicals saying one thing or another, you could trade on either side of the market. You'd be holding a spot long. You could be holding a spot position of Bitcoin and shorting it. In fact, some people probably made a ton of money when Bitcoin went from 100K down to 97K. But you got to be careful, guys. You have to be careful. On this platform, you could trade Dogecoin up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up. I'm curious how this video is going to age because I'm giving this video to my members ahead of the public going to get to see this. And so if you want to become a member and just be the first to watch some of this content that's going to come out ahead of our putting these videos public, go ahead and sign up, become a member in the description down below. That's all I have for you guys. You can sign up for Blowfin as well if you want to make some trades. Great discounts on trading fees on that platform right now. Check out that link down below. Guys, that's all I have for you. I'm bullish on crypto. I think Bitcoin dominance could top out here. I think it's looking like it's recovering, guys. I feel pretty good about it. And I think that Dogecoin could hold this floor versus BTC and the 30-cent level. I'd like to see that. We could come lower. I could see us coming down to 20 cents if Bitcoin slips, if the crypto market slips more. But for now, I don't know if that's going to happen. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know what your thoughts are. I want to know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, guys. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm CryptoKip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hold on my friends, and I will see you in the next one. Please do your own research. I am not telling you to buy or sell. I'm telling you what I think, and you do what you want with that information, but it better be your own research, my friends. I'll see you next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. If you're watching an X, give us a repost. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.